In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your party closed in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to make your party private, so that way, like, let's say you're playing with friends or you're just playing by yourself, you don't want other people to join. It's very simple to do. So once you're on this menu, all you're going to do is go to the settings wheel right here. You're going to see party settings. Right now, mine is open, which means anyone can just join my party or even send me invites. If I want it to be only friends, I can do only friends, which only friends can join your party without an invite. Anyone can send party invites. And I can do an invite or code only. Like, let's say if I give a code to someone to join, for example, this party code right here. Let's say I gave that to someone, they would have to use the invite code to join. Like, that's really good if you're a streamer or a content creator and you want your followers to join without actually adding them. I think that's such an amazing thing they've added. And the final one, if you don't want anyone joining at all, you press closed, which this says this party cannot be joined. Only the party leader can send party invites, which in this case would be you. And it's simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.